Hi, it's me, for People Brock's the British Tech Guru. As many of you will know, I've been working on my lady's home for a little while, and I've put these gates on the end of the ramp. I built the ramp a few years ago. I built these gates the other day. I've been working on replacing the wire fencing and putting a handrail. I've put the handrail all the way along, and I replaced the wire fencing in a couple of places so far with a very nice wooden fence. I have been picking up the plastic sheeting here, which is actually underpinning, or what I call siding, for the underneath of the trailer, and actually putting it on the trailer. And there we can see I've put some of it on the trailer. I had to buy some of these. Now bear in mind, she can't pay me because she's on a disability income, so I've put all that there. Meanwhile, we had to deal with a plumbing leak, and apparently all this work was not good enough for the insurance agency, who complained about the trash in the yard, which is basically the underpinning that was lying on the ground and in the photograph, and complained that there was no handrail on the ramp. Well, there is a handrail on one side now, and it's just me working on it. Nobody else will do all this work. And bear in mind, I've built this ramp as well, and I've been working on this, trying to help her for several years now, and the insurance company, it's not good enough. It's in poor decorative repair, or whatever it was. They said the trailer was lacking maintenance. Well, what do they expect? It's just me working on it when I can, and I'm 58, and I'm working pretty darn hard on this whenever I can. And the railings there, the wood planking there tore up my muscles something awful, squatting and standing, so I had to take a couple of weeks off for them to recover. I'm working pretty well flat out in my ordinary job, and I'm doing this as well, and the insurance company, not good enough, they cancelled the policy. Well, they shouldn't have offered it in the first place if they weren't going to fulfill it. But then that's American insurance policies, and I'm really not very impressed.